Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make delicious shrimp rice. First, let's gather our essentials. You will need 1 pound of fresh shrimp, 2 cups of long grain rice, and your favorite vegetables such as bell peppers and onions. Make sure your cooking area is ready with a large skillet and all your tools. Having everything prepped beforehand makes the cooking process much more enjoyable and efficient, setting you up for success. Now let's focus on the foundation of our dish, the rice. Begin by rinsing 2 cups of long grain rice until the water is perfectly clear. This step removes excess starch, ensuring a fluffy texture. Next, cook the rice as directed on its package, usually with 4 cups of liquid. Once cooked, spread it out on a baking sheet to cool for about 10 minutes. This cooling period is crucial for achieving that perfect, non-sticky consistency in your shrimp rice. Next, we'll create the vibrant flavors for our shrimp rice. In your large skillet, melt 1 tablespoon of butter and add 1 pound of peeled and deveined shrimp with 2 cloves of minced garlic. Sauté for just 2 to 3 minutes until they turn a beautiful pink, then remove them. Now, add your diced bell peppers, onions, and celery to the same skillet. Cook these vegetables until they are tender crisp, about 5 minutes, releasing their sweet aromas. Finally, it's time to bring all these wonderful components together. Return the cooked shrimp to the skillet with the vegetables. Gently fold in your cooled rice, ensuring everything is evenly distributed. Now, incorporate 2 scrambled eggs and a 1/4 cup of fresh green onions for a burst of color and flavor. Stir everything together for about 2 more minutes, allowing all the ingredients to meld beautifully. Serve your delicious homemade shrimp rice immediately and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.